Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. My name is Ben. This is day 11 of the 25-day advent calendar from the Brew Company. Okay, so welcome to Huson DIY if this is your first time here. It's December the 11th and we're travelling to Costa Rica on today's advent calendar from the Brew Company. So far it's been brilliant, all the coffees. Africa blend was yesterday, which was nice. Day before was Java blend, which was brilliant, my favourite. So Costa Rica back to a medium intensity now, so 3 out of 5 intensity, and it's a medium roast as well. So this is from the Coope Tarrazu co-op farm, and it's got caramelised, cherry, chocolate and grape taste notes. Medium acidity, I'm not sure I'm going to like this one. So this farm, or the co-op, was formed in 1960, champions over 5,000 growers from the Tarrazu region. So let's get grinding, and let's get brewing, and let's get tasting, and we'll see what it's like. Fingers crossed it's nice. Okay, let's give Costa Rica a taste. Okay, it's nice. It's not got that darkness to it like the previous 2 days have. You can definitely taste that intensity difference and the roast difference is really noticeable. But it's nice. There's quite a lot of acidity to it. It's a medium acidity, but it is quite acidic. It's nice. It's not near my top 3, but it's not offensive like that Guatemala was. That wasn't good. So yeah, good. Maybe top 5. A little bit too bitter and not dark enough, not intense enough for me. So yeah, that's Costa Rica, December the 11th. Nice coffee, just not up there in terms of the intensity for my liking, that's all. But it's a nice coffee. I would drink it, and I'll drink this whole French press now. Not right now, but in the next couple of hours. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you have. If you've not, give it a dislike, give it a thumbs down. There's links in the description to discount codes for this coffee and all the other coffees on the Brew Company website. So if you use the links and discount below, that will get you the discounts if you want to use those. If you want to follow the Huson DIY journey along for more coffee from the Advent calendar or more Huson DIY projects, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.